Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the new video. In the last video we learned about the lean letters rule. Today we are going to learn about madda rule. Madda, we already read about madda letters, which were three madda letters: alif madda, waw madda and ya madda. But today we are going to learn about this sign, which is called madda sign. So in Quran there are two signs. It's the first one is long madda and the second one is short mad. For the long mad we stretch it about 4 to 5 seconds, and for short mad we stretch it about 3 to 4 seconds. This is just the basic knowledge of madda, prolongation. The advanced rule we will learn in next video. So let's see the example in the Quran. Look at this example. If you look at this madda, this one is the long mad, and you have to remember this thing: whenever there will be a long mad, it will come in a bold font. So for long mad, as I told you, that we have to stretch it for 4 to 5 seconds. So we have to stretch this lam about 4 to 5 seconds. How will you read it? Ulaika. Ulaika. Secondly, there was a small mad. This one is a small mad, and small mad will always be like this without the bold font. So for small mad, I told you that we have to stretch it for 3 to 4 seconds. Fa'asa, fa'asa. This is all for today's video. Kindly practice this rule in the Quran. Whenever you see long mad, try to stretch it for 4 to 5 seconds, and when it's a small mad, try to stretch it for 3 to 4 seconds. See you in the next video.